Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department. I am Dr. Bushir MT presenting daily weather briefing. First, let's look into the weather observed during last 24 hours. So, along the coastal region of Tamil Nadu, rainfall activity was reported during last 24 hours. Heavy rainfall is also reported from Velanganni, Nagapattanam, Uvangiri, Chidambaram, Parangipettai, Mannargudi and Neelamangalam stations of Tamil Nadu. Cold day and cold wave condition is also observed in isolated pockets over Madhya Pradesh. So coming to the synoptic systems that observed during today morning. So last few days IMD was monitoring and giving forecast about western disturbances. Now today, according to today morning, this western disturbance is seen at 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level along 90° east and 25° north. Under the influence of these western disturbances, isolated rainfall activity is expecting over eastern parts of the northeastern parts of the country. A, a feeble trough in the easterlies is seen at 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level over Comorin region. Northeasterlies is also prevailing over this region. Under the influence of these systems, isolated rainfall activity is expecting over Tamil Nadu and Kerala region during next 24 hours. Coming to the forecast and warnings, as I mentioned, a feeble trough in the westerlies is seen at 0.9 km above mean sea level over Comorin area, and strong northwesterlies winds are prevailing over coastal Tamil Nadu in lower tropospheric levels. Under their influence, isolated thunderstorms are very likely to continue over South Tamil Nadu region and Kerala, accompanied with heavy rainfall at isolated places over South Tamil Nadu during next 24 hours. IMD is continuously monitoring another two western disturbances. The first one may hit over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad region on 13th, and under their influences, light rainfall or snowfall may affect during 13th to 16th over above regions and over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand also on 15th and 16th February. And another western disturbance under their influence, it may hit on 17th, and under their influences scattered to fairly widespread light snowfall or rainfall very likely over western Himalayan region during 17th to 20th February 2022. Strong surface wind with a speed of 25 to 35 km per hour very likely to prevail over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh during the daytime of today. Coming to the temperature, fog and cold day conditions. Over northwest India, there is a gradual rise in the minimum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius is expecting for during next 4 days. Thereafter, no significant change is expecting. Over central India, no significant change in the minimum temperature is very expecting for next 24 hours, and a gradual rise by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius is expecting over thereafter. Over east part of the country, now significant change in the minimum temperature is expecting, and for next 3 days, and thereafter a gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius is expecting. Coming to the cold day and cold wave conditions and warnings. So cold wave and cold day conditions very likely to prevail in isolated pockets of East Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours. Dense fog condition is also expecting over Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh for during night and morning hours of next 2 days. Coming to the weather warnings for next 5 days. Over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh regions, fog condition is expecting for today and tomorrow. So accordingly, yellow warning is issued. Over East Madhya Pradesh, cold day and cold wave condition is expecting for today. So yellow warning is issued over these regions. So under the influence of this trough and the strong northeasterly winds, isolated rainfall activity is expecting over Tamil Nadu and Kerala region for today and tomorrow. Yellow warning is issued over this region. For today, over Tamil Nadu region, heavy rainfall is also expecting. Then 14th, 15th and 16th, there is no warning over any part of the country. IMD's forecast and warnings are also available in Mausam app, Damini app and Magdood app. These are available in Android and iOS platforms. IMD's forecast and warnings are also available on the social media pages of IMD. Thank you.